Oh, and just for those of you who were curious, the rear deck is, there we go. That is 18 gauge. Let's see if it goes to 20. No, it does not go to 20. It's not go to 19. So the rear shroud, body work. I don't know if you can see it on there, but it's definitely 18 gauge. 19 doesn't, well, 19 might go, but let's allow for some corrosion there. So this is 18 gauge, that's the rear shroud. And the support piece, where are you here? The support piece right here is, let's take a look there. That looks like it's a little thicker. Oh, no. That is also 18 gauge. Well, not 20. Oh, 19 gauge. So the support beam's a little thinner. So I'm guessing you can get away with, if you're making your own bodywork, like I'm going to be doing some of, anywhere from 18 to 19 gauge should be enough. 20 gauge might be a little lightweight, especially like what I'm doing with the floors. I'll probably get 18 for the floors, make them a little thicker.